Alright guys, it's roughly 6 p.m. producing 2.29 kilowatts. Anyway, so got all the shelving out. Hosered all down. I have yet to decide if I'm keeping the partition or not. Don't know. But yeah, basically all the shelving and all the, it's almost like this is like tar paper. Made in Germany, it says. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually insulate it. I'm gonna get some 1-bys. So I don't get attacked by all these ants. I thought this was some sort of composite or something, but maybe this top layer is fiberglass. So I kind of think I'm gonna insulate it and then I'm gonna throw that stuff back on top, possibly. So, but yeah, I hosed everything, just sprayed a bunch of simple green everywhere. Hosed it all. You could probably, I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's rivets. Let's see if I can even see it. There's a rivet there, but there's a ton of rivets throughout the whole thing. That I gotta try to clean up. Basically, that floor was held down with a bunch of rivets. So, rivets. I thought it was held down by screws, but it wasn't. I did fix a screw for the side thingy. Right in here. Apparently, there's a little wheel in there. I'm sure you can see it, but basically, when you open this, catches on it. So I did not know that. Yeah, so when it dries or tomorrow or whatever, what I'm gonna do, I could probably do it in a little bit, but I'm gonna measure. There's a lot of floor plans out there, there's a lot of stuff out there. But I'm gonna do my own measurements. I'm gonna draw it all down, draw what I want. Plan is to have a shower up there in the front, a sink next to it, shower, sink, and then a bed and kind of like cabinets, kind of like a fold down bed, about this high, and then this will all be my solar stuff. Possibly. I don't know because it's a lot of weight on this side. You got the fuel tank. Then you would have water tank would be under here. Might relocate the spare tire to the back door. Kind of like those 4-wheel drive ones. But yeah, I don't know. I'll just play with it tomorrow, do some measurements, draw up what my plans will be. I do want to put batteries, either 4 or 6 batteries. I want to be able to run at least 3,000 watts because my plan is to have, I don't know, I gotta draw it all out, but one of those ice chest refrigerators that stay cool, so I can have that plugged into an inverter, solar panels on top. I don't know yet with an air conditioner, just because they're expensive for 12 volt applications. But anyway, maybe if any of you watching know anybody that would sponsor the video and doing stuff, that would be cool. I'm going to sound deaden all the walls, put sound deadening all in here, all over there, all on the roof, ceiling, I mean. It's all going to be sound deadening because it's pretty loud. And then I got to take these off, but I'm going to move the truck up, or the van up to the front of the house. Maybe I'll do it tomorrow or Monday. But, yeah, these little placards are going to go away, and I'm going to do reflective strip all the way down the side. So, anyway, guys, that's what it looks like. That's the van. It's the van, and this, I'll do another video. I mean, I guess I basically already explained it before, but the plan is to make this into a sleeper van, and then haul my flat trailer that's on that side with my Yamaha out to the sand dunes, to Pismo, wherever I gotta go. So it'll be that trailer right over there. So, oh yeah, I forgot the cardboard. But yeah, so I'm just gonna move the van probably in the morning. I'm gonna leave it all open like this. Probably should take the key. Leave it all open. And yeah, let it air out overnight, hopefully. And then maybe pull it up to the front in the morning and see if I can't get some measurements and some other stuff. But yeah, and then I'll do another video of what my plans are for it. After I draw it all out, I'll go through the plans, all the other stuff. I'm not buying the plans that people sell online. They want $150 for plans. I'll just do it myself. But anyway, it might be time to jump into the sauna. Not yet, but anyway, I'm gonna get off of here, and yeah, if you guys have one of these projects going on, let me know what you guys think. I do have to return a couple items. This was way too big. It said it was for a Sprinter. Maybe it's for the newer Sprinter, but it don't work on my car. And this thing, I bought 2 of them on accident, so I gotta return these 2. Yep. Anyway, guys, that's it for my little vlog for today. And then I have to go to work. Yay me. And I do need to try to find a different oil filter cartridge lid. I don't know what you would call it, but I need to find one, because that was really not cool what I was doing today. But anyway, and maybe I'll throw some of that in there. Stiction eliminator. I don't think that needs it. It doesn't really have anything that would need it. I will eventually, after I do the second oil change, drive it around for like 1,500 to 2,000 miles. I will put full synthetic T6 in there and see how that does. But look at this, guys. You know what that is? That's good old diesel exhaust fluid. Yay. Saving the world. Alright. See you guys on the next video. Later.